Good morning, we are on the 11th of June and this is colony number 1. So all looking healthy, pollen going in as we can see from the front. There are drones going out. Looks good, always worth having a quick front of colony inspection before going in. So we have the brood box where brood is. Queen excluder stops the queen going up because she's too big to fit through the gaps. We have an empty super as of last week. We'll find out whether it's got more in it this week. So that is just actual flat beeswax. We have an actual super with stuff in it. And we have an actual super with stuff in it, lid, stand, and so on. This is where it sits. Right, let's get you set up. Have a look. So we would expect to find stores just up to the top. Let's take the board off. Insulation's not really required, but I only have it there just so I don't forget where it lives in the winter. Right, so this was a full honey of super. Full super of honey. Let's get that round the right way. Creamy is not marked in this colony, so we will be trying to find her a marker. I did see her a couple of videos ago, so 20 days ago, so we'll catch her in the cap. We'll mark her up unknown year. Let's have a quick look what we've got. It smells good. You guys don't have smell-o-vision, obviously. So that's perfectly well capped, so that's all capped stores in there. These are just checking it, I guess, or the gaps or holes, or I mean, it's all fine. There's a bunch of drones in there which probably got caught when I put the queen excluder on. In terms of weight, I would expect this to be completely packed full, ready for extraction. Yeah, that weighs 35 pounds. So definitely ready to be moved. Wait till we've got a bit more. Right, see what we've got over here. This one looks a bit emptier. Yeah, see, they're still putting stores in this one. It's doing okay. Let's just check the middle. Middle's generally the place where they feel the most. Yeah, so they're actually filling that out now, past actually where it was previously. So they might have uncapped it, bit it out a bit further. So this frame spacing isn't perfect, but that works. 3, 4, 10 frames. A little look down the centre, what we're doing over here. Yeah, I mean, it's all kept out. Perfectly fine. Okay, pushing down another one. Okay, smoker is lit. I'll put the smoke. Smoke's really just to encourage them to move out the way, not squash anyone. It's got a decent weight to it, not as heavy as the other one. But it's certainly got some weight. Right. This is where you can tell that we've put the queen excluder in, because you've got all of these drones all over the side. So what do we have here? Nothing. 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 They have actually propolis some of these frames down. So propolis is like the bee glue. Yeah, this way's nothing. And there are all of our drones that were caught up the top. Right, so that will go back in the same order. I would have thought they're strong enough to build up, but Right, that's how many drones there were on the top trying to get out. A bunch that are alive, but I'm going to knock them off. Always check the underside to make sure Queenie isn't on there. Particularly we haven't marked her, so we can't actually see her as of yet. Just brushing these drones off. Got no way of getting off otherwise. They're all well caught. Right. Let's just drop you down a bit. Okay, that's good. So let's see what we've got in here. So last week we added a couple of new frames of brood in here, just because the spacing was a bit weird, so there are now 10 frames. Again, well stuck down. Let's get the queen clip. Ready to go when we find her. Okay. Quite a lot of bees in that one. Double bit of comb I don't really like. Queenie could hide in the double bit of comb. Lucky that actually that piece isn't laid up. We have a couple of play cups. These are built. See, I think they're running out of space. They're clearly not, because they've got an entire super. There is nothing in the play cup. It's not been worked, so that's all good. And that's just ready stores. And a bit of brood there. Right, let's have a look at the next one. Frame number 2. I'll do this year's. Yep, so brood all the way out. It's doing well. That frame has little tiny larvae in it, just in the middle there. C-shaped larvae. Okay, let's check the other side. Again, just looking for play cups. We're kind of in swarming season, and if we see any play cups that are charged or full, then lead to the colony swarming out. Great brood pattern. There are eggs through that middle section as well. And so she really is doing well. So it would be ideal if we could find her ideally in this week. Let's go to the next one. A little bit of smoke. In the event of finding queen cells, I do actually have an entire colony box with me that's empty. So we can actually split her out into frames and everything. It's looking good. Yep, larvae in the middle. So we are looking for queen cells, swarm cells. I think we've got a bit of a swarm going on the other end. So we'll see, look at that when we get to it. This looks okay. Pollen on the bees. Bring in pollen, they're quite happy. Frame. Kind of getting into the middle of the brood nest now. Okay. good. Great frame, yep, eggs larvae on that one. Some cat brood over here. We capped a few weeks back. This all looks good. Yeah, there's larvae that are actually just about to pupate in there. They're probably a bit older than the other side that we've just seen. Let's see Queenie. I guess the thing is that she's here somewhere. She's just walked past. What's next? Come on, guys. Start walking towards my fingers. Okay. Right to this side. All looking good. And yeah, there's cat brood there. Can't see any of that swarm cells or anything. Just looking for Queenie, ideally, wherever she might be. Yeah, some lovely bits of brood kept over here. It might be quite hard to see her in quantity of bees. Try the next one. Queen hunting, as per usual. I mean, that side looks great. That's all totally capped up. Yeah, that's looking really good. There are no swarm cells or anything in here. There are quite a lot of bees that I do think I might actually not put the queen excluder in. Just allow them to start drawing out that next super. Right, brand new frame. Lovely. CC in there. C-shaped larvae. Ducked all the way down the bottom of those cells. A few different focal angles. I don't know what you can see and how far. Yeah, they're certainly still drawing out the cells as she's filling the cells, so definitely doing well there. Outside, looking good. So they've drawn out the comb. This is a week and a half. Again, a massive quantity of drones. I remember seeing a huge quantity of drones last time, this far out. No, this is all stores. Stores and drones. Guess that's men wanting to be fed. Okay, normal brood there. There's nothing in there. Gone. Okay, on the other side. So drawing out, they put a tiny bit of stores just in the middle there. That's it. Nothing else, no eggs, no anything. Okay. Okay. This looks okay. Looks like drones again. Looks like drones again. Got some men in there. They're not restricted anyway, they can get out. Again, it's a bit of a ropey piece of comb. Not too flat. I think that's the one that I actually tidied up last time. Good. So we know that she's doing well. Very tempted to move this frame in a bit. They're starting to draw it out, but not quick enough. So it certainly gives them something to do. And then maybe move that more towards the middle. Again, this is a drawn out frame. Couple of drones, great. And this side has brood on it. And a bit of stores at the top. I was thinking this would be the colony that I'd split off today, but let's go through the rest of the colonies to see whether I can find swarm cells, namely colony number 3. I mean, this one's drawn out really well. This is a new frame. Just going back through the frames, just doing a quick second peek. Yeah, I mean, there is larvae in there, so they're certainly doing a good job with that one. Can we go this way? Okay, a nice side brood, wonderful. All looking good, can't see Queenie. This is one of the newer frames of wax. And this side of brood. We know that she's there. It'd be nice if we actually found her. Given this is like week number 3 or 4 of looking for her. spend a good 15 minutes whilst I'm looking for it. This is just a new frame. All looking good there. You can't see her. You know that she's there, but you just can't see her. And she is hidden under this really weird piece of comb that's on the last frame. Because that is a weird piece of comb. It has brood in it, so potentially she does come out this far. I'll cut it open just in case. And that side's looking okay. In case potentially she's hidden in there, but I don't want to cut it to brood. Okay. So generally doing okay. I think I will put the super back on top without the queen excluder. So at least gives them something to do. I know. Right, so now we've got open access to that. You can go off and do what they want with it. Put the excluder on top. Took rather 4 honey supers. Jesus, there's everyone. Is she right to top some up? And on board. Right, so that is this can be done. Again, we are left with brood box, empty super, queen excluder, full super, full super. And we'll extract those at some point in the future. Right, so we'll move on to the next hive now, which will be the next video. Thanks for watching.